Hello everyone, this is Meenal and my venture name is Handloom Story. We basically deal with the ethnic women apparels and home furnishing items. I would like to thank the entire team of She, especially the admins Gauri ma'am and Tilotama, for organizing such a wonderful online exhibition, because in this pandemic it is very important for all of us to grow together, and it is basically the need of the hour. So whatever I have shown in the video is just the 20% of my collection. We deals in all the type of handloom suits, saris, dupattas, lehengas, home furnishing items. So anytime anyone is having requirement of these things, can contact me on given number, and please do follow my page on Facebook. It's Handloom Shopping and Handloom Stories underscore fashion on Insta. Thank you. These are basically the Jaipuri bed sheets, which are double bed sheets, and we have a lot of varieties in these. This is the Dabu print bed sheets. This is the mandala print, which is also well known as the tapestry one, and these are the Katha work bed sheets. And this is again the mandala print in some different pattern, and these are the traditional ones. Okay, so I have basically started from the home furnishing items. So now these are the Katha bed covers. These are in double size, and these are screen printed ones. The second one is the Ajrak ones. Ajrak is basically a block printing technique which is very famous in Kutch region of India, and these are also double size bed covers. Now we have baby quilts also in very soft fabric for the newborn babies, and it can be used by the kids who are at age of 6 years also. These are the dohas. These are pair of singles, and the fabric is in cotton malmal. This is a pair of 2, and this is a Jaipuri quilt which is again in cotton malmal fabric. It is also in double size. We have a lot of variety of quilts, comforter sets, dohas, bed sheets and bed covers. Now again this is an home furnishing item in which this is a combo of 6 hand block printed napkins plus the dining table cloth. Okay, in this I am just showing you the 3 prints varieties. These are all hand block printed. It has a set of 6 napkins plus 1 dining cloth. Now this is the second set of a dining table runner and 5 dining mats. This is again hand block printed. Now I am going to show you the range of dupattas which are available with me, which we deal with. We deal in a lot of variety of dupattas. These are the Fulkari ones. This is in Georgette fabric. A lot of colors are available. We keep in Chanderi also. Let me show you the Chanderi ones. These are in the Chanderi ones. Fulkari is basically an art of hand woolen embroidery in Punjab area. Now these are the dupattas, kalamkari dupattas. These dupattas are hand painted and then hand embroidered. We keep also a wide range of these dupattas. In this I am showing you just 2-3 samples. Okay. Then I would like to show you some more varieties of dupattas. Okay. So the first one is in Banarsi silk. In this you can get a lot of colors. Okay. A lot of colors you can get in this. Now the second variety is of bandhej. It's an art silk fabric by the Gotapatti lace border and the tassels. It is available in single shades also and in multi shades also. Now this is a variety of Chanderi silk dupatta. It is a very soft fabric. A lot of colors are also available in this. So basically we deal in a wide range of dupattas: Chanderi, Bandhni, Lehriya, Fulkari, Kalamkaris, Ajrak in modal silk as well as in cotton. So now I would like to share some of the saris. This is Ajrak block printed sari. Okay, the fabric is in modal silk. Okay, so a lot of variety is available in this. We have stoles also in rayon print, modal silk and mushroom in every fabric. Now the second variety of saris is chikankari. These are all hand embroidered saris on semi georgette cloth. Okay, in these we have tapchi work embroidered saris also. We have kota silk saris also in chicken embroidery. Okay, and all type of we deal in all type of Rajasthani saris also. This one is the chundri sari with heavy Gotapatti work. You can see. Okay, the second sari is Charkhi Gota sari. This is a art silk fabric and this work is known as the Charkhi Gota. These are all Rajasthani saris. This one is Lehriya, chiffon Lehriya with Gotapatti lace border. This is a sari with georgette fabric and a beautiful Banarsi border in it. Which you can get the shades and colors. Now these are the Kota Doria fabric saris. These are again Rajasthani pattern. Then we have in cotton malmal saris. These are indigo based saris. These are hand block printed cotton malmal saris. This is the shibori ones. This wavy pattern is known as shibori. This is again a cotton malmal sari. And we deal with the heavy range of dupattas, lehengas also. One of the bridal dupatta I am going to show you here. This is a dupatta with net fabric and a heavy Gotapatti lace border work in it. And the Fulkari bridal dupatta we have. This one's. So thank you for your love and support. I hope you like my collection. You can contact me on the given number and ask me for different varieties and details. Thank you.